हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम क्या करने वाले, स्टैंडर्ड 8 का मैथ्स करने वाले हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 1 रैशनल एंड इरेशनल नंबर्स। तो चलो चलते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 1 पे। हमारा पहला चैप्टर रैशनल एंड इरेशनल नंबर्स। लेट्स रिकॉल। वी आर फैमिलियर विद नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, integers and rational number. Natural number means starting from 1, whole number means starting from 0, integer means right side positive, left side negative. So in this chapter we are going to see about rational numbers. So let's go to the definition of about rational numbers. The numbers of the form m upon n are called rational numbers. Here m and n are integer, but n is not 0. We have also seen that there are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Let's recall. To show rational numbers on a number line, let us see how to show 7 upon 3, 2 minus 2 by 3 on a number line. Let us draw a number line. So we are going to draw like this a number line, and we will put a number like this. Okay, then I will tell you what to do next. So here I have drawn a number line. Okay, so now what I will do, so now I am going to make integers. Okay, so first part you should do integers first. Okay, so first we will put 0 in the middle. Okay, this is 0, and next we want to do, now they have told us to find 7 upon 3, 2 minus 2 by 3. So first we want to see the denominator. The denominator is 3, here 3 and here 3. So what we will do here, now 3, the denominator is 3. Okay, so now we have put 0 in the middle. Okay, now our denominator is 3. So what you will do, put 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. When the third point come, it should be your 1. Okay, like this, 1, 2, 3. When the third point come, that is your 2. 1, 2, 3. When the third point come, that is your 3, like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. I hope everybody is understanding what I am telling to you. And now our positive number is finished. Now our next is negative is left. So like this only you have to do, but I will once again I will show you how to do. Okay, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. This is our minus 1, 1, 2, 3. This is our minus 2, 1, 2, 3. This is our minus 3, 1, 2, 3. This is our minus 4, 1, 2, 3. This is our minus 5. Okay, now both sides are equal. Okay, now we have in the textbook it is told that the denominator is 3, so we have keep that 3 point, and we have written that number also. Yeah, so next first we have finished our denominator. Next we should finish our numerator. Okay, first we will do this 7 by 3. Okay, 7 by 3. Now what to do, you can see this, it is positive or negative. It is positive, because when it is negative there will be a minus sign. When it is positive there will be nothing. Okay, nothing there will be. Okay, so this first 7 by 3 is our positive number. Okay, so you should find 7 now. Okay, now how we will find, we have put a numerator 3 dot. Yeah, so we'll count that dots. Okay, by we'll count the dots by 7. Okay, how? I will tell you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here is our 7. Okay, so from the dot we should put an arrow. Okay, then there is our 7 by 3. This all students, this only. Okay, first we want to see the numerator. In every sum the numerator will be same. Okay, so first we have finished the dots, putting 3 dots, then we will come to numerator. Okay, then we will, our first sum will be given by 7 upon 3 or any other either number. Okay, so 7 upon 3 we should count the dot. In the textbook it is same given in the textbook. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the 7 dot came, so that's our 7 by 3. Okay, this all. Now we will find 2. Okay, now we will find 2. Now I can tell that you can be able to do this. Okay, 1, 2, put an arrow, it is your 2. Only 2, because it's not given 2 by 3, it's only given 2. Okay, now one more twist, minus 2 by 3. Now it is a negative number, so it either come in positive, it come in negative. Okay, so minus 2 is here. You do not put like that because the sum will be totally wrong. Okay, you should keep it in your mind. Here is minus 2, you directly don't put because it is wrong. Because by the numerator we should put the 3 dots. So we should, in every number line we should count the dots especially. It is very important. You should not see the numbers. You should not see the number. You should see, focus on the dots. That's all. Okay, you should focus on the dots. So minus 2 by 3 is given. So 1, 2. The second point is minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Now this is all your sums. This everything is sum. Okay. You can see in the textbook page also, they have not given minus 2. They have counted dot 1, 2. So it minus 2 by 3 came. Okay, this all only, you don't do this all, this don't do, you do all this sum. Only whatever I told you, you do. It is a best way, it's the best trick to do the number line. Okay, now next we will do now. Next is practice set 1.1. So here also they have given same. Show the following numbers on a number line. Draw a separate number line for each example. So in this there are 4 sums. I will only teach you one sum. Okay. So this sum only I will teach you. So first I will draw a number line. So I have put a practice set 1.1. Question number 1. First sum. Okay, now first you don't go to this sum. You should see the denominator. The denominator will be same all the time for the number line. Okay, now the denominator is 2. So what we will do, we have drawn a number line. Okay, we have drawn a number line. Now what we will do, the denominator is 2. So we'll put a 2 point in the 2 point count, that is our 1. 1, 2. This is our 2. 1, 2. This is our 3. 1, 2. This is our 4. 1, 2. This is our 5. Now negative. 1, 2. Minus 1. 1, 2. Minus 2. 1, 2. Minus 3. 1, 2. Minus 4. 1 2 minus 5. Okay, so we have drawn the positive and drawn the negative. Now first sum you will see first. Now our denominator is everything is finished. Now we will go to numerator. Okay, now there is 3 by 2. So what I tell, you should do not, there is 3, so you should not focus on the numbers, you should focus on the dots. Okay, so the numerator is 3 upon 2, so I will put 1 2 3. Okay, this is our 3 by 2. Okay, this is our 3 by 2. Now next, 5 upon 2. Here is 5, then you should not focus on the number. Okay, you should focus on the dots. I think it's clear to you all. Okay, then 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So here will come our 5 upon 2. Okay, 5 upon 2. Next, minus 3 upon 2. Here is minus 3, you should not put, I already tell you. So you should count the now dots. 1 2 3. So here is a minus 3 by 2. Okay, this all, this only. Okay, okay students, I think you all have understand it clearly. Okay, so in the sum there will be given positive and negative especially. Okay, so you should be focused on this sum. Okay, and one more thing, you should never focus on the number, you should focus on the dots. Okay, and the second, third, fourth sum I am not doing, you should be do it by your own. Now next is observe the number line and answer the questions. Okay, I think you can do it. Okay, because I have teaching you very greatly, so you can do it. By the way, I will teach you for an example, first and second sum I will teach you. Okay, which number indicated by point B? Now I will tell you in Hindi, ये कौन सा नंबर पॉइंट बी को इंडिकेट कर रहा है? पॉइंट आया है ना, पॉइंट, तो क्या करने का है, काउंट करने का है. ओके, सो क्या दिया है, बी, तो बी इधर है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. सो 10 इधर आ रहा है, तो हमारा नंबर 10. ओके, अभी ये वाला थर्ड वाला करते हैं. स्टेट वेदर द स्टेटमेंट द पॉइंट डी डिनोट्स द नंबर 5 by 2, इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, जो पॉइंट डी है, ये पॉइंट डी, वो 5 by 2 आ रहा है क्या उन लोग का बोल रहे हैं? क्या आएगा, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 आ रहा है, और इसका पॉइंट कितना रखा है उन लोग ने, कितना रखा है, 4 पॉइंट रखा है, तो इस पर क्या आएगा, 10 by 4. इस पर के ना 10 by 4 आएगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमारा डिनोमिनेटर पॉइंट रहेगा और अपना न्यूमरेटर काउंट करने पे रहेगा. ठीक है, अभी सेकंड क्वेश्चन में भूल गई, विच पॉइंट इंडिकेट्स द नंबर 1 3 by 4. तो ये कौन सा पॉइंट इंडिकेट कर रहा है 3 by 4 का? देखो 3 डॉट हम लोग को काउंट करने का है, 1 2 3. तो इस पे कौन सा पॉइंट आ रहा है, एफ पॉइंट आ रहा है, तो इस पे एफ आएगा. उसके पीछे रहने दो वो ही एफ रहेगा। उसका जो पीछे वाला जो स्पेस है ना, उस पर कुछ भी नहीं नेम दिया है तो वो एफ ही रहेगा। अगर उसका आगे भी कुछ भी नहीं दिया है और वो सी रहेगा। ठीक है, आपको ये समझ आएगा क्लियर पे। तो आज इतना ही मैं सिखाऊंगी, ये पार्ट 1 वीडियो है। और नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे हम लोग कंपैरिजन ऑफ रैशनल नंबर देखेंगे। ये बहुत ही ईजी है और एक ईजी ट्रिक में मैं आपको ये सिखाने वाली हूँ। तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सपोर्ट कीजिए, थोड़ा सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय, थैंक यू।